When I grow up, I would like to be a scientific researcher, just in the way of discovering like medicines or solving many problems about which are scientifically caused. I now see that in these days, there are many diseases which are being discovered and few people to find the solution for the medicines. So I would just like to be one of the people who save millions of lives in the world.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor, especially a chemist. That's because I like chemistry too much. It's my favorite study.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor, a dermatologist. And the reason is because I really love taking care of patients, because I think becoming sick that is the time when a person feels like really wants a person to take care of him or her. I really feel like helping people because of last year I had an internship and in the hospital, and it was very nice. I saw many patients, and then I want to become one of the people who can help those people who are in need, really.
The first time when I came on the camp, I felt so scared. Slow by slow, it made an improvement.
Before I came in this camp, I brought documents. I said, you'll be needing them, you'll be needing the formulas, you'll be needing things like those. But I made one challenge, that using calculators were not allowed. So I thought, how will I be using or replacing the formulas without the calculator? That would be a challenge. Then, when I reached here, I found things were different. They were different, but because we were not using calculator, not even those formulas, but we were taught how to use the mind, that critical thinking.
The first thing I liked when I reached here, they were the meals. The meals were so interesting because on each, either lunch or dinner, we had a permanent salad.
For me, the best part of the camp, we have gone to cinema and watched a very interesting cinema called The Lion King by using the 3D glasses, and it was very interesting.
In the camp, my experience was that I really discovered many things that I didn't know. They taught us much about sciences, taught us how to love sciences. We had even big ideas about people who became very famous just because of science. And that's really the most important thing that I had in this camp.
My experience in the camp I got what I didn't expect, because when I was at school, they told me I have to come in the camp, and then I said that I wasn't capable, in class. I'm not, one of the A students. I'm like a B student somewhere there. But then coming here, I saw that though I'm not an A+ student, but I can also manage to become one if I want to. And then they told me how I can learn and get immersed in what I'm studying deeply, and then see that I can get an explanation out of them. Yeah, so I can now get an explanation to things that I didn't get when I was in school. So that has been a wonderful experience for me.
I didn't get any kind of experience from anywhere else, just my kind of skills, my kind of knowledge from the class. But reaching the camp now, we have been studying how those formulas or tricks to be used in those exams. I think now the upcoming will be more easy since we have had those kind of trainings.
I learned very many things. I learned how to play cards. I learned the games which include mathematics and how to apply them in our daily life.
When I go back to school, my first thing that I want to do is just to make my fellow classmates, schoolmates love sciences. I would like to tell them more about sciences, show them practices that we had here, and show them that we can have fun by learning.
When I go back at my school, I shall teach my colleagues or the people whom I will find there. I will teach them the importance of mathematics and its application in our daily life.
My plan when I go back at school is to teach my friends. So because I have now an experience higher than others that I left the school, so I'm going to try to help them, give them some questions that we did here at school, encourage them, and then tell them the good things of doing mathematics as a better background for them. And then I think they're going to love mathematics more than they did earlier.
When the camp comes to end, the first thing that I will really miss is our facilitators. They were really great with us. They taught us much, and I will also miss the questions they gave us, and being with my new friends that I made here will also be hard without them.